How to turn off dark mode on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to the settings of your device and then scroll down, tap on display option. Then here, as you can see, on the very first option of the color scheme, it's toggle on for dark mode. If you want to select it for light mode or you want to schedule the dark mode off, all you have to do is tap on schedule dark mode and you can just toggle it off, or you can just tap on light mode over here and you will be able to turn off the dark mode on Android. Or also for easier access, what you can do is you can go for your notification control status and you can see the option of dark mode. Just toggle it off and there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today and see you next time.